I am so confused. Wow. I am so confused.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Look, we know that it can be overwhelming and confusing because there's so many product choices in the car care space. So what we've done is we've simplified it into a few kits that provide you the essentials to make your car look great both inside and out. Adams Polish's Essentials Kit, which comes in 4 different variations, is one of the best places to start if you're trying to get into cleaning your car at your house. So if you're the kind of person that has been taking your car through the automated car wash and you're absolutely dissatisfied with the results, one of these kits is a great thing for you. Now, if you're the kind of person that bought a new car, a newer used car, and you're like, you know what, this is my time, I'm gonna start taking care of my car, but I just don't know where to start, any one of the Essentials kits is gonna be a great kit for you. Now, if you're new to Adams Polishes, like you've heard of us and you're new to the brand and you're like, you have so many products, I don't know where to start, please just tell me what I need. Boom, you got it right here in the Essentials Kit. So each one of these kits all has the same formulas in them or chemicals, but each one has a different kind of level or how many products or tools you get with it. Now, another thing to consider is if you're looking to get a gift for the car enthusiast or car lover in your family and you just don't know what to get them, any one of the variations of the Adams Polishes Essentials Kit is a great gift item for that person. Now, what's the difference between the different variations of our Essentials Kits? Well, let's start at the top with the complete kit, okay? This one is everything you need, no holds bar, okay? So if you're the kind of person that's like, I need all the buckets, I need all the towels, I need all the tools and the chemicals, that's the one you need, okay? Obviously, it's gonna come at a higher cost because you get everything, but this is the most complete kit as far as the Essentials Kit variations goes for the person that's looking like, I need everything, okay? So really, really great kit. Gives you 2 5-gallon buckets with grit guards, so you can go and do a 2-bucket wash, which reduces scratching while washing, hands down the best. And get a super high quality drying towel, and all the formulas are essentially utility players, meaning they do multiple things to get great results. Now, when you drop down to the basic kit, you take out one of the buckets and you reduce the size to a 3.5-gallon bucket. So if you still are looking to get all the tools and towels and everything, still a great kit, but you don't get the 2 buckets to be able to do the 2-bucket wash. But maybe you have another bucket at home, so you get a 3.5-gallon bucket still with 1 grit guard and then a lot of the same tools. You know, again, just like up top here, you still get a foam gun in this kit, so you still foam your car down before you start washing, which is very important. So the basic kit, really, really good option. We essentially just took what the complete kit was and reduced the cost a little bit by taking a couple things out. Then you jump into the starter kit. I would say that this starter kit variation is one of the best selections for a gift, okay? It doesn't come with the bucket or buckets. It comes with all the formulas you need and the super premium tools and towels that go with the chemicals to really get amazing results. So again, if you're looking to find a really cool kit for a car enthusiast or car lover in your family or a friend, the starter kit is a really, really great place to start. And again, if you're the kind of person that's at home is like, I really want to get into using Adams Polishes in my house, and you feel like you have the buckets and everything, starter kit's a really good place to begin when it comes to these variations. And then lastly, we have the refill kit. So the reason why we designed that was to be able to refill the formulas that come in the Essentials kit. Like, let's say you bought the complete kit, you got really inspired and you used all the products. Next weekend, you're like, I don't know, I actually need more. Get a refill kit. Or if you're looking for another gift idea, the refill kit's a great place to start just to give somebody the formulas to start with. So each variation kind of gives you different options, but I guarantee for you, you're gonna know which one you're gonna love, and I guarantee it's also gonna give you the results you've been looking for. Now, lastly, let's jump into the formulas and let's talk about why we selected those specifically for the Essentials kit. What we easily could have done is just picked any random products that give us the best cost, but that's not who Adams Polishes is. We chose products that give you the best results, but each one of these products does multiple things to make the cleaning process more efficient. So I'm going to talk about each formula, and I'm going to talk about it in kind of the way that you should clean your car. So you should always start with cleaning your wheels and tires first. So the first formula, wheel and tire cleaner. It's a product that cleans both the wheels and tires at the same time. Wheel and tire cleaner does a great job at removing brake dust, but also removing the tire blooming or browning that happens on your tires, leaving both the wheels and the tires looking perfect. Very quickly became a fan favorite within our product line here at Adams Polishes. Now, after you're done cleaning your wheels and tires, you move on to washing your car. So the next formula is car shampoo, okay? Super high quality premium car soap. And this really does three things very, very well. Number one, it creates high lubrication when the suds is on your car or when you use the soap in your bucket. Now, number two, it neutralizes hard water. So it prevents the development of new water spots on your car while you're washing. And when you pair it and use it with the foam gun that comes in both the complete kit and the basic kit, you can distribute the soap mixture evenly across your car, even more so preventing the chance of getting water spots and putting that nice layer of lubrication on your car for when you get into washing. Now, lastly, car shampoo, if it dries completely on your car, it rinses off perfect. So you're not going to get any of that soap staining that you get with other low quality car shampoos. Now, after you're done washing, you need to dry your car. So one of the best products to use as a drying aid is Adams Polishes Detail Spray. This has a lot of different uses, but as a drying aid, it's one of my favorites. So after you rinse your car off and it's still wet, you mist this onto the car, creates lubrication for your drying towel to glide on the surface while drying, but also enhances the gloss exponentially. It makes your car almost look new after you're using it. Now, the other thing that Detail Spray does is if you just want to touch up your car, make it look really nice, maybe there's a little layer of dust on it, you can take Detail Spray, wipe it down with a borderless gray towel, and boom, your car is going to look amazing. Number four, after you've dried your car, maybe you want to add some ceramic protection. That's where Adams Polishes CS3 comes in. This is a product that does multiple things. It has lubrication, so it reduces drag while you wipe the car down, reducing scratching. Number two, it has gloss enhancement, kind of like Detail Spray. And lastly, it has SiO2 or silica protection that gives you that hydrophobic property to have the water beat up on your car, making it a lot easier to clean the next time you come back at your next wash. So after you've added some protection with CS3 and your car looks amazing, maybe you want to even out your tires, dress them, make them look nice and rich black, but also you want to dress the plastic and rubber trim throughout your car. VRT is going to be the next option for that and the next formula for that. VRT stands for vinyl, rubber, and trim and tires. So this is a dressing that's dedicated to those surfaces, okay? This turns them jet black, makes them look almost new again. And again, another fan favorite, it's a cream product you use on a block applicator, apply it, and boom, all of your plastic and rubber surfaces look brand new again. After you're done dressing your tires and your plastic and rubber trim, you jump into the car and you clean the inside of your car, the interior, and that's where Total Interior Cleaner comes in. This formula does everything. It cleans the hard surfaces of your interior, including the vinyl, door pieces, dash, but also leather. It can even touch up carpeted areas or upholstered areas. But the thing I love about it, you can clean the interior glass and you can even hit your touch screen and make it look crisp and perfect just by using Total Interior Cleaner. So this is a product you can just in one fell swoop make your interior look brand new again. And the best thing about it, it's not shiny, okay? It leaves your interior looking as if it rolled off the factory floor. So as you can see with all of the formulas that we've put inside the Essentials Kit, not only are they fan favorites, not only do they provide amazing results, but they do multiple things. So a very, very efficient lineup when it comes to the formulas within the Essentials Kit. Now, whether you're looking to get the refill variation like this, or you want to get the complete kit that has everything, I guarantee that we have a variation of the Adams Polishes Essentials Kit for you. So if you're tired of going through that automated car wash, or you're new to Adams Polishes and you don't know where to start, Adams Polish's Essentials Kit is the absolute perfect thing to get your car dialed in and looking perfect.